Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change Google Chrome language in Windows 10. So how to change Google Chrome language in Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is already on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. To change the language in Chrome, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Well, here there is a three-dot icon. Tap this icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear. There are many choices here. Select the Settings menu. Here it is already in the Settings menu. Here there are many menu choices that you can use. Select the Languages menu. Now here in the Language Preferences section. To add a language, tap Add Language. Here there are many language choices that you can use. Scroll to search for various languages. Well, in the example I will choose German. And tap Add. Well, here the language that I added has appeared. Tap the three dots on German. Check Display Chrome in this language. Tap Relaunch. Here it will automatically change to German. So that's it, the tutorial how to change Google Chrome language in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.